furtherance of this, we present to you this document, which is from the People's Democratic Party, PDP Rivers State. It reads, the Rivers State Resident Electoral Commissioner, Independent National Electoral Commission, plot 236 Aba Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Sir, application for the certified true copies of the following documents. Form EC8 series, A, B, C, D, and E. Form 40G series, 40G, 40G sub 1, and 40G sub 2. 3. List of collation and returning officers, presiding officers, that is POs, assistant presiding officer, that is APOs, and supervising presiding officers, SPOs, and others. All election materials used for the governorship election held on the 18th day of March 2023. We hereby apply for the certified true copies of the aforementioned documents and election materials used at the election conducted in Rivers State on the 18th day of March 2023. We undertake, which is required, of course, you know by law, to pay the requisite fees. Thank you. This is signed by Barrister Kingsley Chukwu, KSC, PDP Legal Advisor, Rivers State. Take note that this was received on the 24th of March, which is last month, 2023, by INEC here. So we also have the second document. So what we are saying is that we are not here on illegality. We are here to say, INEC, we have applied. Don't favor us, but don't also play us wayo. In 2019, recall, it was the same Oko that shed innocent blood in Abonima. We mourned our brothers and sisters. He's not tired. He has come again yesterday and has killed one of us. Must Oko always be known for killing? No. We go agree? No. That is why from here, we are moving straight to the Commissioner of Police. We have registered our petition yesterday. Today, after INEC will sleep in the Commissioner Police office, Oko, who does not enjoy immunity, must be arrested and prosecuted.
Yes.
Not be so? That's so. Will sleep in Moscow Road. Commissioner of Police must arrest him today.
Yes.
Because we don't know what to tell the family of the dead PDP supporter. The wife and children are crying at the hospital. Why must we continue to fold our hands and allow criminals
who stole our money
because they are using tongues in arms? Nigerian police must rise on the occasion.
If they're impartial.
We are ready to die for our rights. We are ready to die to defend our mandate. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Time. Nobody is seeking for violence. What we want is nothing but justice, fair play by INEC, by security agencies, so that there will be peace. His Excellency the Governor is doing so much to ensure that there is peace in Rivers State. The peace in the state must be sustained. And the only way it can be sustained is when the right things are done. And we expect that INEC, security agencies, will rise up to the occasion and ensure that the right things are done appropriately. That is the position of our party. Thank you.